Namaste my dear friends. Today practice hand balance asana. One by one you see. First Vakasana technique. Both palm touch the ground, both knees under your arm and slowly leg up left and leg up right. Balance, concentrate 1 point, hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and down. And next elbow touch the ground, okay, and knees up and knee under your arm and slowly left leg up, right leg up, hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and down. And next first lotus pose. Both palm side your middle thigh and slowly inhale, body up, look fan side, hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and down. And next lock your punch, both punch side your middle thigh and slowly body up and balance your hands, look fan side, hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and down. You see hand balance postures. Everyday practice, starting 5 seconds and slowly time increase 10, 20 and 30 seconds. You see my yoga postures and like my videos, share my videos and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you. Good night.